What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's good, family? So for this carrot bacon recipe, all you're gonna need is some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked or regular paprika, some brown maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce or liquid smoke, and of course, your carrots. This video was inspired by Tabitha Brown. I want to say thank you. And this is going to be an easy and simple treat, you guys. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, first thing we're going to do, you guys, is add 1/3 cup of our brown maple syrup, 1/3 cup of our Worcestershire sauce or liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, you guys. Just like so. Smells like barbecue sauce. Give me a like. All right, now we're going to take our plump carrot and we're going to make thin bacon slices. Just like you see here. Okay, let's cut a couple more. Okay, and I think we have enough carrots for our carrot bacon. Pretty cool. Yes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our marinade and we're gonna put our carrots inside of our marinade. And we're gonna mix this up very nice and thoroughly, you guys. And we're gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can let it marinate longer if you wish. And at this point, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna allow your bacon to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. And this is what we're looking for. And it looks like bacon. Pat yourself on the back, we did this. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead, plate this up, and let's have a taste test review. Okay, family, so we are here and we're about to be eating some carrot bacon. And I was inspired by Tabitha Brown. The video came out, I think, a month or two ago, and she was making carrot bacon. She asked, do you see carrot or do you see bacon? And then she went ahead and made carrot bacon. So I went ahead and marinated this for 48 hours, like I said in the video of me making it. I marinated it for 48 hours. Never tasted it before, so you're gonna get my first reaction of it. I mean, I do like carrots, but however, eating carrots as a bacon is different. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out right now. But before we do this, quick facts. What other properties does carrots have? They have anti-inflammatory properties. The first reason to eat carrots every day, which is worth mentioning, is because it has anti-inflammatory capacity. It can help the body with pain, headaches, or stomachache, and other inflammatory related issues. You can eat it raw, steamed, either way will do, which is pretty cool. All right, so that's other properties that carrots have. So let's go ahead and try this out. So now I did bake it. Under her video, she did say that if you don't have an air fryer, you can bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna say 10 to 15 minutes depending on what type of oven you have, okay? So, seems pretty cool. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So, I mean, if you go into it thinking you're going to eat pork, beef, or turkey bacon and expecting to taste that, then you're not really getting experience. So what I would say is go into it knowing that you're going to be eating a carrot, but carrot bacon. So with that in mind, it tastes pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and eat it in a breakfast way because I love eggs. If you want to know how to make 4 perfect eggs, I do have a video out there. You can check that out in the link in the description below. So, check this out. Not bad, not bad. I mean, as a mixture of as a person that have a mixture of different type of eaters in my family, for a vegan, or just if you don't have any bacon or beef bacon or turkey bacon laying around and you desperately have to have some bacon with your breakfast, I like to have bacon. I prefer beef or turkey. This is a great alternative. It's not bad at all. Yeah. It is smoldering hot. I'm sorry. It is smoldering hot. Man. But however, besides that, this is pretty cool. I want to say thank you to Tabitha Brown for showing this video. I do have a lot of pescatarians and vegans in my family. This would be a great deal. Now, the one when she made it, it was very crunchy, and I think that's because she used the air fryer. However, this is my very first time cooking it. I want to be raw with it, show you guys exactly what it looked like. I did put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I did let it marinate for 48 hours, and it turned out to be pretty swell. So, hey, thank you, Miss Brown. I appreciate that. And if you guys want to check out her video, I will have that in the link in the description below as well. She was the one who inspired me to do this video, or to make carrot bacon. So I would say that if you ever get a chance to, go ahead and try it out. I'm sorry, you guys. It is you see the sweat? It's smoldering hot. Okay, so I'm gonna leave those 4 pieces. My babies want to try it, so I'm gonna let my babies try the bacon. But this is very cool. Like I said, it's an alternative. If you're a vegan, this is very great. But however, if you're a person that loves breakfast like I do, then you have to have your bacon, and you don't have your beef, your pork, or your turkey bacon in there, and you don't feel like running to the store. You have everything else, but you just don't have your bacon, and you have a whole bunch of carrots in your refrigerator. I will go ahead and try that. Not bad at all. And it's very quick, and it's very easy as well. I just realized I ate one of my baby's carrot bacon, which is alright. I'll just maneuver, okay? So, hey, thank you guys again for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right, and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Ddins. We are so close, you guys. Until our next adventure, peace.